Hey guys, welcome to the best 5 games to play on your road trip. And some of the worst.
Okay, Braeden's turn?
Yep.
Okay.
I think you're up here, actually.
Yeah, you gotta hold it there.
No, it's right here.
Okay.
Can you give me? Oh, darn it.
Braeden!
This game is stupid!
Number 5. Make a connection.
Okay, so how this game goes is that the first person will start with an object, just a random object, and the next person, whatever pops into their head when they hear that word, it should be connected to it in some way, says that word, and then it continues on. Going to start with the word sunglasses.
Beach.
Towel. Bathing suit.
Sand. Water.
Slide.
Splash. Fish.
Zoo. What did you say? Zoo.
Aquarium.
Phoenix.
Maybe I'd say a dragon. But that's how you play the game.
Yes. There you go. And it just continues on until you're sick of it, which I'm already sick of it, so
That's why it's number 5
I
on
guess
our list.
so.
These are all games that you can play together with everyone in the vehicle. It requires no cards. It's just
Yeah.
your voice and whatever's happening around you. So welcome to the Nipawa Bird Sanctuary. How do we even find this place?
I had just noticed that a couple of our friends had taken their kids here the last couple weeks. So I was like, hey, maybe that's a place that's open since everything else is closed. And it is open.
Like, literally everything is closed.
Yeah, even trails. So
There's wildfires right now, and so all the hiking trails are closed. However, we are road tripping today. And we're going to talk about 5 best road tripping games that you can play in your vehicle,
and a couple that are sucky.
and a couple that are bad.
They'll suddenly just grab you. Oh my gosh, can you imagine if you pecked at that?
Emu attacks civilian at Nipawa Bird Sanctuary. Ew, their eyes when they blink is like.
Okay. On number 4 on the list is our question game. Now this is just as it is. Someone asks a question and everyone answers it.
I'll go first.
Okay, you go first now.
What is your favorite Disney princess?
Am I going this way around?
Yeah.
Okay, Pocahontas. Okay, Pocahontas. What is one? I should have thought about it a little. Who's the one that the Tangled movie?
Rapunzel?
Rapunzel.
Jasmine. I don't know why it's so funny every time.
Okay, go Braeden. Who's your favorite princess?
I like Elsa. Sing Let It Go.
Yeah.
Probably Mulan.
Okay. Okay, who's going next with the
Braeden.
question?
Was Mulan a princess?
There are any girl in those movies are princess
Oh,
movies.
okay.
Like they're princesses.
Let me see.
I've got one.
Okay.
What is your favorite campground so far that we've stayed at?
That's a hard one.
I don't know any.
Just think about where you stayed.
Rainbow Beach, done.
Oh, Rainbow Beach, okay.
I don't know, I like Rainbow Beach.
Rainbow is a good one because that's where our friends gather and we gather with friends. But
It's most of the
Does the
beach.
Schmitz cabin count?
the Schmitz cabin. Yeah, I
Well,
guess.
I don't
so.
know what to say.
Ta-da!
I really liked that Vermilion place we stayed at in
Yes.
Alberta.
Yeah.
It was just a random one on the way home from when we were around Edmonton a couple of years ago. And
So where we saw this fireworks?
it was sort of open. It wasn't really about the campsite. It was just that it was really close to like that playground and you guys played in that splash park alone. Like it was a fun splash park.
And then you ran with the firewood bags on your legs.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was yours.
That was my favorite, yeah.
Braeden, what's yours?
Well, wherever that one was, like the one where they said we had like the best spots.
Oh yeah, and you guys found the coconut shell in the water.
That was Spring Lake.
Yeah, Spring Lake.
And we did a paddleboard all the way around that
Oh,
lake.
Yes,
Remember?
that was cool.
Wait, guys, Owen's here.
Oh yeah, those kids that were like gathering under that tree all the time right outside our campsite. Yelling, and then they're like, "Oh, Owen's here!"
They'll probably watch this. Owen, if you're here, welcome. My favorite campground is the KOA at Mount Rushmore.
Oh, okay. I wasn't even thinking about that one. That one was good.
How does that one even count?
We did camp. We were tenting. We didn't even have a camper yet.
Doesn't
I guess
count.
I count.
That is a campground.
I liked that one the best too.
That's how you play the questions game.
Hey, my turn.
Oh.
Braden's got one.
Braeden got a question.
Would you rather go to China
Oh.
or the International Space Station?
China.
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 Are you going to the space station?
Alone.
Alone?
Number 3. It's a sign.
Okay, so in this game, you're watching for signs. You're gonna start at A, and the first sign you see with a word that starts with A, you kind of call it and say what the word is, and then you move on to B. You're looking for a word on a sign that starts with B, and so on. So you try to go through the alphabet that way. Or the other rendition is just using numbers, starting at 1, finding a 1 on a sign, then a 2, and so on. So it's easy for younger kids to pick out, even if they can't read the words. They can, if they know their alphabet, they can pick them out.
Or numbers.
Or numbers, of course. Okay, so A.
Be easier.
How about if that was an arrow? It would start with the letter A.
That's
Look back on these, you guys, because they're going the other way, but you could still.
We could go out and turn around.
Oh, attention! There. Okay, now
Attention.
next is B. Too bad we weren't doing numbers, because there's marks that have started at 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is unlawful to feed the wildlife.
No
nothing.
bees. Anyways, you get the idea.
This would be a good one for a longer trip for sure, because
Oh,
it would be
yes.
fun to. I don't know what you do when you get to like X.
We have played the variation of this game with numbers.
Oh,
Here's
there is a bear. Bear starts with B.
Bear starts with B.
Mom,
I'm recording. Yeah. Maybe a little close.
A little close to the bear.
Hello, bear. Hi, buddy. He's like, aw.
Found a bear.
It's just
So a variation we've done in this game is that you have to get the numbers 1 through, or 0 through 9, and you can get them in any order that you want.
Number 2, ABC packing.
Okay, so in this game, what you have to do is that you're taking stuff on a trip, and you start with person number 1, and that person selects something that starts with the letter A. So I am going to take a alligator on my trip, and so I'm going on a trip to Florida, and I'm going to take my alligator. And then the next person goes, and they have to select something. They have to repeat what you said, but then also add their own, starting with the next letter. So, I'm going on a trip to Florida. I'm taking an alligator. Braeden?
I'm going on a trip to Florida. I'm taking my alligator baseball gloves.
Okay.
I'm going on a trip to Florida and I bring my alligator, baseball glove, and cat. Cat. Almost a cat.
Yeah.
Cat.
Going on a trip to Florida, and I'm bringing my alligator baseball glove, cat, and dinosaur.
Okay, I'm going on a trip to Florida, and I'm bringing alligator, baseball glove, cat, dinosaur, and eggplant.
I'm going on a trip to Florida, and I'm taking my alligator, baseball glove, cat, dinosaur, and eggplant, and a French fry.
Okay, and I think we got the picture, right? I'm gonna get so mixed up because we just played this the other day, so I'm already like in my mind thinking of all the things we said last time, and I'm like, oh no.
Apple,
Oh yeah, you could repeat. You could repeat it from last game even. It's a really good memory game.
Our favorite road trip game is called car shopping. And the way that this game works is that you select a number, and we have used numbers depending on the traffic, anywhere between 1 and 50. The games say, you can use 10, you can use anywhere between 10 and 50, but sometimes there's only 10 cars on the road, so it really depends. Right now, traffic is slowed down, so we'll probably go between 10 and 20, something like that. So everyone picks a number.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 11.
7, 12,
5.
Okay, I will go with 14. Then the game starts, and you start counting cars. And when your number comes across, that's the car that you get, or the vehicle that you get, or the tractor that you get, depending on whatever it is that happens to be driving by.
Okay, is this gonna be number 1?
This is car number 1.
one is going out here.
It's too bad it's raining and our windshield is dirty, but
Oh, it's like a
It's a truck.
truck.
Nice.
oh, nice.
It's a red. What was that?
Toyota.
Toyota?
Yeah.
6. The next one's mine.
6. Okay, that was 6. Okay. After that, this looks like some kind of
This is
truck.
7.
Yeah.
Another truck.
Not bad.
Oh, another Toyota
Another
truck.
Toyota.
Oh, nice blue one. Okay, what is this?
9.
9.
10.
10.
Next
Oh, here's
one's
one. I get a
yours.
truck too.
Hey, I get a truck with a trailer.
Oh, nice.
11.
This is mine, and this is
Oh.
Braeden. Ooh,
Everyone has trucks.
I have a white truck, and so do you,
Oh,
Braeden.
Daddy,
They're both,
this is
and
a
they're
junkie.
both
Two more and it's
Yours
mine.
are Chevys and ours are Toyota.
Ours are good. I
It's
like
down
mine
there, it
also.
doesn't look very truckish.
Yours?
You get an old grandma van.
It's probably another UPS van.
Probably a cat.
Yes. Did that happen to you before?
One of the first times we were playing, I had a UPS van.
I think we were in like North Dakota.
Yeah.
What is This is 13?
Yeah.
13. Oh, Dad gets a little car. Oh, like a
Mitsubishi.
Yeah,
Mitsubishi.
I don't know how to say that either.
Mitsubishi.
Okay.
Woo! Green turtles, give me anything! Woo!
That's our top 5
That's gonna be
road trip games. What are some of the things that are on yours? If you are looking for some ideas, you can get something like this. We'll link it below, which is games on the go. Not all of these are for the car, but they are pretty interesting. But we also have a couple games that are the worst vehicle games ever.
Well, we could really go on and on.
We could go on and on. First game is, why is this person driving so slow?
Time to play I Spy.
It's one of the worst games ever.
Okay, I'll go first. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow.
The lines on the road.
Nope.
Okay.
The sign.
That sign.
Nope.
The sun.
Nope.
That bumblebee.
The dead grass.
Nope.
Okay. We give up.
There's nothing else.
It was the sign like about 5 minutes back.
Exactly why I Spy does not work.
You could just do stuff in the car.
You can use stuff just in the car, but that's very limiting, and people can't see from your same angle, and you can't move.
Usually ends up being some light that's hidden under the dash that
Right.
no one else can
Or
see.
something outside that you've already passed by and no one can see it or guess it anymore. So, lame game.
Best worst game ever is Hey Cow. The way you play this game is that you scream out the window at a group of cows, and the person who can get the most cows to look at you gets the most points.
This was a game that Richard's volleyball team back in high school. Apparently was it a parent or a teacher made it up?
I honestly don't even remember her name.
Okay. But it sounds like a funny
It was
big
pretty
group
it
game.
was it was pretty fun. It's like a youth age game.
Yeah. But someone randomly in our car tried this today before we were ready, and I could have wet my pants because they scared me so bad. So, not the best.
Although another variation of that is we used to count ducks and geese.
There is some game in this little thing. There is a game called Cow on Your Side. Was it in here? No, maybe it was just one when I was looking
It was one you
ideas
looked
up.
up.
Cow on Your Side. So you get points if you spot it on a cow on my side, or if you spot it on somebody else's side, say cow on your side, and you get the points. And
It's just so boring.
it's basically a spotting game.
Okay, cut.
The game that we're going to play next is called Comment and Share. If you know of a game that we need to try out, leave it in the comments below. And please share this video with your friends. It would be great. We appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging with us, and we will see you next Sunday. Shout out to my dad, because one of my dad's favorite games, road game, home game, didn't matter anywhere game, was to check for light leaks. If you're not familiar with how to check for light leaks, you close your eyes and you see if you have any light leaking in. And if you do, you close your eyelids tighter. How's that for a good game?